In this video, I am going to show you how to make a Roblox game on mobile. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Download the Roblox mobile app. Install the Roblox app on your mobile device. You can find it in the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Step number 2. Create a Roblox account. If you don't already have one, create a Roblox account. You will need this to access Roblox Studio and publish your games. Step number 3. Explore Roblox Studio on mobile. Open the Roblox app and explore the Studio section. While it is not as feature-rich as the desktop version, you can still access basic building tools and create simple games. Step number 4. Start building your game. Use the building tools available in Roblox Studio to create your game world. You can place blocks, models, and other objects to design your environment. Keep in mind the limitation of the mobile interface compared to the desktop version. Step number 5. Scripting. If you are familiar with scripting, you can add functionality to your game using Lua scripting language. While you can't directly code on mobile, you can create or edit scripts using a text editor app and then upload them to Roblox Studio from your computer. Step number 6. Test your game. Use the play button in Roblox Studio to test your game. This will allow you to experience how it plays and make any necessary adjustments. Step number 7. Publish your game. Once you are satisfied with your game, you can publish it to the Roblox platform. Tap the publish button in the Roblox Studio to make your game available to others. Step number 8. Share your game. Share the link to your game with friends or publish it to the Roblox platform for anyone to play. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.